Welcome to eRobo Labs. So in the last video we created the animation of an bouncing ball. So today we'll create an animation of a rocket. So for this we will use panning method. Panning method will draw the rocket on the left hand side at the bottom. We'll use the line tool, increase its size to 3 and we'll create this rocket. Now let us use the path cursor and design this. Back to the line. Now let us add colors to this rocket. So we'll use the fill color. You can color your rocket as per your wish. You can add any colors. So for changing the color of the line, we have to use this side of the color bucket. So this line is a bit thicker, so we'll reduce the size. This one looks better. So now let us create a smoke for this arrow rocket while launching. So let's now recenter this. So your rocket is ready. So now we want to animate this rocket, so we'll be using the tweening method. So we'll add the tween. So now we have added the tween and now we want the final position where the rocket will go. So using cursor we will select this whole rocket and now we'll move it at the end and place it over here like this. Now let us play this video and see how this animation works. So this one is pretty smooth. So this was your basic program for launching a rocket. That's it for the today's video.